Yep.
Cutting corn?
Mm-hmm.
Saw somebody coming down cutting corn down the other side of Lacey.
We can hear them.
I saw somebody, where the hell was it yesterday? Day before haying it, yeah.
Really?
Yeah. They had the field all down, they was out there baling it. They were pretty green yet.
Yeah.
I bet he behind the tide, be snow on the ground before he gets done. He cut the corn down back in it. Won't be long, we'll be about doing the soybeans.
Yeah, they usually do that about the time of the corn.
I don't think them ones down back are up my place are ready yet.
He's flying his drone.
What?
He's flying his drone. It's videoing a tractor.
Take pictures, does it?
Where the heck are you? Okay.
Oh, he's all the way over there. 1,327 feet away.
One of these days they'll outlaw them things, you watch.
Yeah, probably.
Somebody will get carried away with them and then they'll outlaw them.
Grandpa has a drone and he doesn't even touch it. Still in a box in his closet.
Maybe that's because he doesn't really know how to fly the drone.
He does.
He knows, but the last time he flew a drone, he broke with the drone.
Nuh-uh.
I'm busy.
He's busy.
He's busy flying a drone over a tractor.
What's the matter?
Oh, she doesn't have a strong arm.